Welcome back to the Global Motors channel. Today we're reviewing Lexus' latest flagship SUV, the 2026 Lexus LX, including the F-Sport package. Does this luxury SUV successfully combine premium luxury with rugged off-road capability? Let's find out. The Lexus LX has long been the brand's definitive statement of flagship luxury, a vehicle that balances superior on-road agility with uncompromising power and heightened off-road confidence. For 2026, the LX continues to take luxury to even greater heights with key enhancements to its lineup. The LX maintains its stance of dignified sophistication, anchored by the distinctive frame-free spindle grille. But for those seeking a sharper, more dynamic edge, Lexus introduces the F-Sport appearance package. Available exclusively on the LX 700HF Sport handling model, this package elevates the vehicle with black outside mirror covers, black rear spoiler winglets, and color keyed accents on the lower bumpers and running boards. This flagship SUV is built on the rigid GAF platform, which enhances body stiffness for improved handling, the core of the Lexus driving signature. The power to tow up to 8,000 pounds comes from two formidable options. The LX 600 runs on a twin-turbo V6, producing 409 horsepower. The LX 700H features an LX First hybrid powertrain. This responsive twin-turbo V6 setup delivers 457 horsepower and a massive 583 pound-feet of torque. Importantly, this is a hybrid system built for adventure, boasting an improved 20 mpg combined rating. With a waterproof structure for the battery, the LX 700H maintains a robust 27.5-inch fording capability, ensuring water crossings don't slow you down. For the first time in a Lexus hybrid, this system adds motor-driven power to the low range of the transfer case. This innovation, paired with multi-terrain select, enables motor-only driving for precise throttle control in challenging scenarios like rocky paths or deep snow, truly enhancing off-road performance and confidence. Building on this capability is the LX's dedicated adventurer, the Overtrail Grade. It exudes a rugged persona with an exclusive earth exterior color and unique appearance package, including a matte gray grille and black over fenders. The Overtrail is geared for discovery. It's the mechanical enhancements that set it apart. The Overtrail adds electronically controlled front and rear locking differentials, a first for the LX, plus 33-inch all-terrain tires on 18-inch wheels. For extended stays, a powerful 2400 WAC inverter is added for all your power needs. Across the line, standard systems like active height control and adaptive variable suspension ensure a seamless balance of on-road handling and off-road grip. Inside, the LX remains the definitive chapter of flagship luxury. The driver-focused cockpit provides control and confidence, utilizing the 12.3-inch Lexus interface touchscreen, along with the LX exclusive 7-inch lower screen for climate and off-road systems. Passengers are indulged with available features like 5 massage options for the front seats and, in the 4-seat ultra-luxury grade, VIP seating with specialized anti-fatigue cushions and a dedicated rear control panel. Completing the flagship experience, every 2026 LX now comes standard with the comprehensive Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0, providing a suite of advanced features from pre-collision system to lane tracing assist. From the trail-conquering Overtrail to the newly stylized F-Sport appearance package, the 2026 Lexus LX is ready for any destination you choose.